Grab my hand. What are you pointing at, dear?
Just enjoying the view. Look at that wake behind us. I've never seen the water this clear. It's absolutely stunning.
It really is. I could stay out here forever. Don't forget the afternoon cocktails.
Maintain course 090.
Aye, Captain. Course steady. Look at them over there, following the ship.
They're beautiful in this light. Say cheese. Say cheese. Okay, got it.
Let me see. Oh, yes, that's the one.
Look at that view over there.
It's absolutely breathtaking, isn't it? I could stay here forever.
Watch out, yours is melting already.
I know, it's so good
This
though.
view is incredible.
Ensure the flight deck is clear for the next cycle. What's the status of the forward catapult?
Green status, Captain.
Wow, look at the size of that carrier.
It's absolutely breathtaking out here.
Check out the birds.
Oh, wow, look at them go. That's incredible. All right, everyone, big smiles. 3, 2, 1.
Oh wow, that turned out great. This is absolutely perfect, isn't it? Yeah.
I could stay out here forever. The water is incredible.
Thank you, we are safe now. Look how beautiful the ocean is.
I've never seen a sunset quite like this.
It's absolutely breathtaking.
Look at that view out there.
Yeah, it's absolutely breathtaking, isn't it?
I could stay here all day.
Look, dolphins!
Wow, they are beautiful. Look, over there, past the cliffs. I see it, wow.
Look at them! They are so close!
Wow, they are flying right over us.
Carrier maintaining speed at 20 knots. Air wing is active.
Acknowledged. We are holding station, awaiting further orders.
I still can't believe this view.
I know, it's absolutely breathtaking. We should come back next year. Oh wow, that one is perfect.
Yeah, look at the colors in the background.
Helm, come left 5 degrees rudder.
Left 5 degrees, aye, Captain.
The main pool is just down this promenade, and the buffet is located right here on deck 11.
Ah, perfect. Thank you so much.
We appreciate the help.
Have you ever seen anything like it? Never this close up, it's amazing.
Right there, maybe 10 miles out. Wait, let me see. Yes, I've got it. Looks slightly further left.
It's truly a sight to behold.
Hi there!
Hello, enjoy the sail.
Hold on tight, everyone.
I'm slipping.
Grab my hand.
Oh my God, hold on. We're going under. Help me. Keep holding on. Another wave is coming. Grab the railing. Secure your vests tightly. Hold on, everyone. The next wave is coming.
We have to get up there. Over the child.
Hold on to the child. They're coming over the side.
Hold on, don't let go. We have to get inside. Help me, please help me. Oh my God, hold on. We're going under.
Hold on, grab my hand.
I can't, it's too steep. Help me, please.
Hold on tight. Don't let go. I'm trying.
Oh God, look out.
Help us. Over here.
We can't hold on much longer.
Hold on.
I can.
Watch out. Hold on tight, everyone.
We can't lose grip now.
Hold on tight. Another one is coming.
Everybody brace yourselves. Hold on tight to the railing.
Hold on tight. Don't let go.
Oh God, we're gonna die. Help!
Grab the railing. Secure the area. We have to get to the bridge. Hold on.
Dios mío, ayúdenos.
¡Socorro! ¡La ola viene!
Agárrense fuerte.
That was massive. I can't believe we're still dry-ish.
What a rush.
All passengers this way, hurry!
Is everyone accounted for?
Keep moving, don't look down.
Hold on tight. Watch your step now. We've got you. Keep moving.
Okay, watch the gap now. Step across quickly. Hold on tight to the rail. All right, sir, right this way. Watch the gap between the ships.
Go ahead, quickly now. Help him up.
Okay, step across now, sir. Hold her hand.
Thank you, officer.
Come on, sweetie, quickly now.
Keep moving, don't stop.
Is everyone accounted for?
It's going down. We have to go now.
¡Rápido, rápido!
¿Dónde está mi hijo?
Cuidado con las olas.
Keep moving, everyone on board. Step carefully across the gap. We are lowering the boat now.
Thank you, thank you. We made it. We are safe now.
Secure the ladder. Everyone move quickly. Thank you. Oh God, thank you. Are we safe now? Keep this blanket around you. The waves are much calmer now.
We're gonna be all right, aren't we?
We made it! Look, the sun is breaking through.
How much longer do we have to wait here?
I don't know, stay calm.
All right, everyone, let's keep the line moving. Head straight to the shore.
We are safe now. Don't worry, help is coming.
Thank you. I was so scared. I can't believe it's finally over.
We are safe now. Look, they brought blankets for everyone.
To the clear skies and calm waters.
Cheers to that.
We made it.
Thank God we made it!
Yes, we are safe now.
We made it. Help should be here soon.
I hope so. I'm just glad we're safe.
Look, we are almost there. It's so huge. We are finally safe.
That's the support ship just ahead. We'll get you warm and dry soon.
Look how high we are! We're safe and sound, darling. What a view.